Oh, dude, yeah, you need full power to even move all this snow. You're like 50 pounds
hey,
right
Dad?
now.
Ooh, nice jump. Oh, Jesse didn't put the top on. Oh, we're gonna get muddy. Liam, please stop. Reverse, dude. You know how to drive. Reverse. Reverse, reverse. Oh, yours is tipped over too?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing? Can you get it back?
Where'd it go?
There it is. Yeah? Okay. Nice! Liam's having a blast jumping right here. That's my boy. Nice. What?
That was a
We're having steering problems.
Is it the snow? We found the culprit, right? There's a rock right there. Getting bound up in the steering.
I was about to say, if we can't drive this thing once without it breaking, that's just
Hey,
sad.
Dad.
What's up, bud?
When I just jumped the fast one, I just flipped it.
See it, buddy. Jeez, it looks like Dad doesn't have a Hoss anymore. It looks like the Hoss is Liam's. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh! That thing is muddy, bud. Okay, bring it over here. Nice! Woo!
Sorry.
This thing's so fun.
Right?
Every time I drive it, I'm like, yeah!
Get him.
Oh, jeez. I knew if I didn't speed up, I'd smoke him. Here, bud, let me turn yours on faster. Check this thing out. Oh my. Oh, dude, yeah, you need full power to even move all this snow. You're like 50 pounds
Hey,
right
Dad,
now. Yeah.
can I try to get the snow out of there?
Yeah, you can send it, get the snow out. This is just 2S light mode because our 3S is not working right now.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Uh-huh.
Oh boy.
Okay, bud, send it.
That's no better.
Get me.
Oh, fine. Away from me, bud. Oh, he wants to play. I'm the little guy. I'm the little Yep.
Whoa! I'll let you drive. I feel like it's losing tons of power. So. The cold really affects the batteries. So I guarantee in the summer it would go 3 times as long as what we're doing now. Yeah. Dude, you have so much snow in there, bud. Whoa! Yeah?
Oh. The X-MAXX is king! Oh yeah! That was legit! Oh, I was like perfectly zoomed up on you guys. And I'm at... Oh yeah. Let's go, buddy! It's dead!
Dad!
What?
Right there!
Oh, fly died too.
Oh, X-MAXX dead too! Alright, let's check him out. Let's see the damage. Let's do the Hoss first.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh! What is that?
Snowball.
Liam, can you even find the button? Oh, Liam's just like, well, I'll just keep sitting there. Well, I guess this Hoss is still going. Did you get the snow out? Did you accomplish your mission? Looks great. Oh my gosh, but what have we done?
Let's try that.
Oh my gosh. That's probably not healthy for anything. Is there a speed control in there somewhere? Jeez.
Okay, can we try to get that snow out of there?
Going down inside. That was pretty epic.
That was sick.
Oh my gosh, I feel like we need to come back to the spot because I loved just sliding around.
Me too.
I think I need to get me like an XRT or something because Liam has the Hoss, you have this. Like, what am I supposed to do? I'm just kidding. That was so fun. Liam, did you have fun, buddy?
Look at right there, those logs. They gone down.
Yeah. Looks like we have some cleanup to do, huh? Well, we drove the Traxxas Hoss, full battery, and nothing broke, so we're very happy about that. We're gonna go home and clean this thing up and get it ready for the next run, whenever that will be.
See you in the next one.